Now I am entering into the real solution. Understand? Completion solves but does not dissolve. But only something which dissolves the source of the problem can be an eternal solution. Listen. Listen intensely. Dive into your depth. The innermost cognitions you have about you. How you cognize you. Sit with yourself seriously and ask, do I really want to transform? If you are saying yes to you, then do it. Who is stopping you? Ability to speak to yourself, convince yourself, is what I call tapas. Tapas does not mean you sit in the center of the fire, you don't eat, or you eat certain food, or you take bath 2000 times in a river, or you go to certain temple. I am not saying all that is not useful, all that is useful in different way. Real tapas is ability to sit with your depth and make your depth listen to you. Convincing your cognitions to change, evolve, transform, and build new cognitions. Listen. Convincing your cognitions and change, evolve, build new cognitions. After all, it is nothing but updating your inner software. Nothing more than that. It is just updating your inner software. One nice thing about this inner software, when you update, even your body starts, hardware also starts changing. Understand? Introduction about you to you is too important. If you are told you have multiple lives, you will explore and try to discover evidence for that. If you are told you have only one life, you will stop exploring. It is like if you have been told there is a country here, you can go there and work, you have a better opportunity, there are so many other entertainment, you will even think of going there exploring. If you have been told nothing like that ever exists, nothing exists other than your boundary, you will not even explore. And anybody who is exploring, you will condemn them, you will curse them, you will call them names, you will tell them cheats. If somebody says, I'll take you there, you will say, oh, no, he is cheat. Understand? Denying the multiple life is literally like a well frog. One frog from the ocean by mistake reached a small well. There was a frog in that well who was born and brought up there. That frog asked this frog, hey, where are you from? He said, I am from ocean. What do you mean by ocean? The ocean frog said, it's a large water body. This fellow immediately got jealous and angry. Hey, what do you mean by large water body? Larger than this? Well, ocean frog said, surely it is large. Then the well frog got so angry, it jumped from one end to another end and said, larger than this or what? Till the end, ocean frog was not able to make the well frog understand. And well frog was never ready to listen, understand. You being told there's only one life is like you are growing as a well frog. When you meet ocean frog who knows multiple lives, learn from it. Don't be jealous and angry about it. Learn from it. Don't be angry and jealous about it. Life is larger than life. Life is larger than life. You need to know life is larger than life. Understand. Understanding the truth about multiple life helps you to understand you rightly, understand world rightly, understand God rightly. Because from understanding about you comes understanding about the world, and understanding about God, understanding about everything exists. So I should say, multiple life is not just belief, it's a real understanding about life.